So this might be the most special effectsy thing I've ever done. I don't know. I don't know anymore. But it looks, other than like, I think this top gum could have been better shape and color wise. Kind of messed it up. But other than that, it's like exactly what I imagined it would be. So that's cool. My inspiration came mostly from the Golden Orb Weaver spider. Yes! Another spider! Go figure. But I hope that's in focus. This spider, you've probably seen them in your garden or on a nature hike or whatever. They're terrifying because they are huge and they have these massive webs with those little zigzags through them. But they're beautiful. And I've encountered many a one on a walk. And one day I was struck by their legs. Just how sharp and just, I don't even know why, but their legs are so beautiful. And I thought, what if there were fangs that had that yellow to brown to black originally? I was going to put black on there, gradient. And they were like, out of your face. I don't know. And then also Buffy, kind of mixed in there. This demon from Buffy, I think it's the fear demon or something. And you can't see it in that picture, but his eyes open up into little like mouths, like, suck the life out of you or something. Anyway, mixture of totally random inspirations. I came up with this. I'm not the first person who's done this probably. Maybe I just saw a bunch of fangs on the internet and I thought it would be cool. I don't know. Oh, and I didn't show this in the video, but I made these fangs. I made them out of, I think it's called thermomorph. It's like little plastic beads that you melt and they become soft, and then you cut and shape them before they dry and harden again. And you can like melt them, you know, whatever. I don't know anymore. Happy Halloween. I hope this was a fun ride of learning on the learning rainbow. And I'm sure this video will not be coming out around Halloween because I'm way too busy. So whenever it does reach you, tidings, fearful tidings to you all. And if you got any tips for like special effects stuff, let me know. Also, if you try this or something, let me know, because it's way harder than it seems. And yeah, be sure to check out my Instagram if you like this or my other videos, because Instagram has way more content because photos are much faster than video making. So see ya.